Hey guys, Joshua Peterson, Peterson Electric. Last video for this house in Lafayette. It is May of 2019. Those of you who followed me on this job, here's the outside of the house, or the garage we just trimmed out today. Right there, boom, is an extra constant power for a ring flood. And then we've got coach, and coach light, however you call those, or wall sconce. We call them coaches. Always good to have an outdoor plug out here. Definitely a dedicated 20 amp in case you got to plug in your diesel truck. I always think that's wise. And then the wires right here for this three-way flood, for those lights right there, are all together on this three-way switch. Put some ENT pipe because they're not going to rock this and insulate yet. Plug up high for what we call RV or heater, E-volt car, trimmed out GFCI plugs everywhere. Nice LED vapor tight fixtures, and we got 3 of these guys. And if it was my garage, I would have done just a little bit more, maybe 4 more. But yeah, this is how I would wire it. Minimum 80 amps, all the lighting, all the plugs, 240, 120, 3 dedicated 20 amp circuits, 120 volt. And then the lighting. Yeah, guys, thanks for joining us. Hopefully to help you out if you're trying to do a garage detached. This is what it looks like.